Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete Halloween Part 2 achievements in Grow a Garden. If you go to the guide section, there will be a new achievement here. It says Halloween Event Part 2 achievements. Here are the rewards you can get. A web fence, a mausoleum, spooky egg, Halloween gearbox, spooky crate, pumpkin crate, and spooky chest. You'll get more than one obviously here, as you can see. And here are all the tasks you need to complete. I think it is very hard to do, especially the Hex Serpent one. I don't know about you, but it seems hard for me. So you'll need to harvest 50 blight mutated plants. You'll need to harvest 50 plants with a spooky trait. You'll need to harvest 35 zombie fruit. Harvest 20 candy corn flowers. Sell 7 moose flower. Sell 4 mummy's hand. Plant 20 zombie fruit. Plant 15 candy corn flower. Plant 10 moose flower. Plant 5 mummy's hand, obtain a crow, obtain a goat, goblin, dark spriggan, and a hex serpent. You'll then need to dig up to 50 treasure from the Gravedigger event. And that's how you can complete Halloween Part 2 achievements in Grow a Garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.